Welcome back to an intro to programming with Rust. I'm Joe. This is the For Loops live programming session. It's not like live, but it's not pre-planned. I don't have any. I have one little kind of bit of code that's like pseudocode so I have no idea if it'll, for sure even compile. But and it's not even the full code that we're gonna need. It's just like a couple lines, literally 4 lines of code. So, so let's just jump right into this. So we're going to print out to the user down here after we've printed their sale price. We're just going to give them a little extra. And we're gonna print each of the common percentages off what their value would be. Like if, let's say, like if your value was 10% off, then would be the sale price. If it was 20% off, then this would be the sale price. So let's start by making an array of discount percents. So discount percents, and then we'll just let's say equals Rust. We'll just let Rust detect that it's an array. I think we'll just do the tens. I think those are like the common. There's usually not like 45% off. It's usually pretty simple. Sometimes 60. Sometimes it's 75. I think 75. I've never seen I'm trying to think if I've ever seen like 15%. I don't know. We can throw it in there. Maybe 25%. So I think that's enough to give you the idea. And yeah, I think those are all the main ones, and plus some. So all right, so that's our array. Those are all our percents. And then we have to loop through that. And we're going to use the for loop. So we'll just use I for, that just means iterator. That's just going to iterate through. That means just loop through, go through. Iterating means, go through one by one. So it's going to go here first, then here, and it's going to go till it gets to the end. So for the iterator in discount percents, do this. And what we're going to do is we're going to print if, and we're going to say I. So that's going to say if 10, and then and there's different ways of doing this, but we'll just do it this way, just simple for simplicity's sake. So if so if 10% discount, then original, then sale price is, and we'll just use dollars for now. Maybe we can fix that in a little bit. Okay, this might end up being easier than I thought it was going to be. Sale price is, I don't know. We'll probably run into some issues. Okay, here's where it's going to get a little tricky. Discount percent, or calc discount. So we got to try, see if this will even let us do this. Price, I'm not sure we can do a function in this print macro. It should, and if it doesn't, there's an easy way around it, but let's try it. Discount percents. So remember, this is our calc discount function that we have way up here that we created. Where is that function? Where is that function? There it is. Function calc discount takes the original price and it takes the discount percent. So oops, and we don't want discount percent. We don't want that whole array, right? That would just screw things up big time. We just want that, whatever that I is. So whatever, remember it iterates, so it's either going to be 10. The next time the loop runs, it'll be 15. The next time it'll be 20. So yeah, I think that should work. But I already see a problem so far. Because this has to, so we're going to need a dot in there just so it knows to make those floating point numbers. That's easy. Skidoo, badoo. Okay. Let's give it a pull, see what we get. Okay, sorry if there's some microphone noise here. My computer's working hard here tonight. Okay. Okay, let's do a little dance with the compiler. Expected one of, oops, that's an easy one. Just missed a comma. I think we got the rest. Let's try it again. Okay. What do we get next here? Where are we at? No, I went up too high. One thing I like about Windows is on Windows, whenever you do a CLS to clear the thing, you can't scroll up any higher than where you cleared it from. Well, it has its advantages and its disadvantages, I guess, but okay. So what's our next? Semicolon may be missing. Before our 4, probably. Yeah. So probably on this. Yep. All right. So that'll fix that. I love doing this compiler stuff. I don't know why. It's like just so fun for me to just kind of go through one by one. See, and they just shrink. It's like I don't know. It's like cleaning up your room. You just like, you know, you do the clothes first. Clothes are done, then it just shrinks down. You know, the mess shrinks, and then you do the I don't know, the toys, and then okay. Let's see, found print, but it expected something else. Where's print at? Print. So it was expecting. Why was it expecting? Oh. Is that? Where are we at here? It doesn't need a. Does it need that? I don't think it needs that, maybe. Okay. Guess it did. Borrow the array with and or call. Oh. Okay. So we just want to borrow this, I think. So borrowing, that's a more advanced topic, but basically we'll just listen to the compiler, do that. Let's try that. If that doesn't work, then we can use that iter function, which would work too. Expected F64, found borrowed float. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's do this. So this is just telling it to go through that. So I think that'll work. Let's try it. I don't know a whole lot about the the iter function. F64. It's still finding the borrowed. Consider dereferencing the borrow. Oh, okay. So it's telling us we can just put a star for the I. Let's try that. So that's just, yeah. Let's try that. I think it's working. Oh, we're working. So say US, enter the discount percent. Well, doesn't matter. We'll say 50%, $1,000, and then it should. Oh man, this is bad. Let's let me fix this. Make that a line. So it should send this to the buffer, and then send this to the buffer, and then print both of them because it'll see the new line. Let's try that. I don't think, sometimes those things get weird and they get out of order, but I think it'll be okay on this. Okay, cool. If 10%, then the sale price is, oh crap. Oh crap. It's looking at, it's saying additional 10% off the sale price. That's not what we want. Shoot, because we set, yeah, we changed that price. Let's get the, okay, we got to change this a little bit. Original price, we're going to have to change this to original price. So, Okay, we can leave that. Price equals original price. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Let's change this to original price. Okay, I think that should be good. Geez, I haven't even had to Google anything yet. It's pretty good. Cannot find the value price in this scope. Price equals calc. Oh, so price isn't declared now. So we'll say let price equal. Yeah, that should be good. And I don't think this needs to be mutable because we're not. No. Are we changing it after? No, we're not. Yeah, I think that should be okay. Not mutable. We don't need it changeable. If you don't need it mutable, might as well leave it mutable. I mean, if you don't need it immutable, no, yeah. Oh man, I'm getting tired. All right, let's try this again. I think, yes, we got it. If the discount is 10%, then the sale price is $900, right? 10%, that makes sense. 75%, yep. We can make it even simpler. Just make it, oops, we entered the wrong thing. Oops. All right, enter the discount percent. We'll say it doesn't really matter because we're gonna get them all anyway, right? At this point. Enter the original price, we'll just say $100 just to make it simple. Okay, so with our 50%, the sale price is $50. Where's that sale price? Why is that not giving an extra line there? Let's just print a blank line in here just to make it look kind of nicer. Yeah, let's try that. That's not needed. Yes, it is needed. Okay. $90, yeah. Okay, good. So there's a little bit of a space there now. 10%, then sale price is $90. Makes complete sense. Yes, we did it. So we did all this with a lot less code than, if we would do like an if-else statement or something. So that's for loops, and that's pretty good for our deal calc. I mean, feel free to do any work you want on it. Like if you want to improve stuff or you want to play around with this stuff, like feel free to. I consider this totally completely open source. I'll put it on GitHub and give you a link in the next video, the conclusion video, just because I don't have it on there right now. But and so then you can feel free to improve on this or just work on this. And if somebody wants to try and like make it so it works on an iPhone or something, I think that would be fun. Little project. That way when you're actually at the store, you could actually use this. I don't know. Whatever you want to do, but you can just not do anything. So, but I did have a question on this video. I forgot to ask this on the last one, and I wanted to, but I'll just ask it now. So, have you learned any other languages? And if so, how does Rust compare to them? Like, what do you think? Just kind of your thoughts. Is Rust easier? Is it? Can you see where it's more secure, or could be faster? Do you like it better? Do you just completely hate it? If you haven't learned any other programming languages, do you want to? Are you considering learning other languages, or do you want to just wait and learn Rust more in depth? I'm just interested to see, where you guys are going or where you're coming from and what your thoughts are. So stay tuned. The next video, we're going to just wrap everything up, give you a few more kind of little cool pointers. It's going to be more of a fun video. So check it out. But until then, thanks for watching. Peace out.